Greetings and salutations. I am Officer Ben the Train Kid, and today I'm going to do a review. Please enjoy the following review. Today's review is going to be this counterfeit train set that my Aunt Kathy bought me. Here's on the box artwork. Looks impressive. Like the companies trying to imitate the product. Well, it appears to be rusty. A green sir handle. Oh, Bill or Ben, and even Duncan in his Railway Series car. Look at the other side of the box. A green sir handle and a yellow bow and a yellow bogo. In the back of the box it shows different variations of this set. One of them is a bullet train. Some other set. This one set appears to be some sort of trucking set. Another looks like the same train set as the one above, but it has some sort of flexible track. And here are the instructions, and there's the instructions on how to assemble each set. The coupling assembly, and track assembly, and battery installation. Alright, let's do the unboxing. And here you have two carriages, a locomotive, and 8 pieces of track. 4 curves and 4 straights. You rarely see straights on sets nowadays. He's right. Now let's take a look at the carriages and the train, shall we? First we'll take a look at the locomotive. Simple, you gotta peel it off and it takes one AA battery in the power switch. Ooh, it's kinda getting a little fast. It also has that simple sandwich design that you've seen on Trackmaster 2 trains. Also, you should not give these toys to little kids as components like these might break off and become a choking hazard. Okay, let's pull this out of the way and take a look at the tender wagon. Of course, in the show, Thomas doesn't have a tender since he's a tank engine, of course. Now, of course, let's do the stickers. The side it shows Thomas Percy and the Thomas Friends logo, which says Trainin' Friends. Possibly because the manufacturer wanted to avoid a lawsuit with Hit Entertainment. Right. And just like the locomotive, you can peel the tender's body off, which exposes a dangerous flat car. Pull that out of the way. Okay. Also, has these same wheels that can easily be broken off. See? Let's pull that out, and let's go with what appears to be a passenger car. And the artwork on this passenger car appears what looks like Thomas, Spencer, and the Thomas Tank Engine logo. And also, you can peel this off, and you can take the wheels out, which is definitely a choking hazard. Let's pull that out. The track system is just your typical generic track you get, and it coupled up easily like this. And I'll build up the layout, shall we? Let's build up this layout. Interestingly, it has 4 pieces of straight. You rarely get straight tracks on most train sets nowadays, do you, people? But if I put a hammer on that train, it would easily break. Alright, so the track is made. Now let's give this train a test run. And the way it coupled up, it's just simple. Now Ready? Let's put this power switch on, and it'll be green off. And let's send the train on its journey. And now we'll probably test another train on this track, eventually. Let's test another train that was one of my Christmas presents from last year. Let's try and give it a run. Well, doesn't do that well. I can subtract a few freight cars. It doesn't do that well on this type of train track. Alright. Oh, I almost forgot to review this. Look at this artwork on the locomotive. In the front of the train, look, that's that classic Thomas face. A little wonky. Thing, darn you, China. Okay, and also on the side of the trains, it's Salty, Harold, Percy, Thomas, another Thomas. It's the Train and Friends Cloud. And also the product number. Busy Bee James. And it says it's a motorized engine. Also on the bottom, it says Made in China. And also the toy manufacturer. On the top of the train also says the toy manufacturer. And it does not have any information relating back to the owners of Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. So this concludes the toy review of the Counterfeit Thomas and Friends train set. Please stay tuned for the next review, which is coming soon. Anyways, this is Officer Ben the Train Kid signing off. Also, this is one of the toys that Leo Convio reviewed in one of his videos that investigates the counterfeit merchandise. Anyways, peace out.